I'd like to introduce Patricia Tanaka, and she will be emceeing the ceremony that we'll be having here on the water in about a minute's time here. I'm going to pass it off to Patricia.
Thank you. Good afternoon and welcome to the Breast Cancer Challenge Race and Flower Ceremony, which have become a tradition at Dragon Boat festivals worldwide. The Breast in a Boat and North Shore Dragon Buster teams would like to thank the Richmond Regatta for including this significant event in today's program. Breast Cancer Dragon Boat teams began as a research project headed by Dr. Don McKenzie of the Alan McGavin Sports Medicine Clinic in 1995. Dr. McKenzie's research demonstrated that vigorous upper body exercise does not lead to lymphedema, a swelling of the limbs. Formed in 1996, Breast in a Boat is the world's first breast cancer team, and there are now over 150 breast cancer teams in the world. Today's challenge race symbolizes our race against breast cancer and demonstrates that we can lead full and active lives after treatment. One of our best defenses against this disease is early detection, so ladies, get those mammograms. The pink carnations honor those who have lost the race against breast cancer and those living with this disease. Shortly, we will hear Garth Brooks' song, The River. After a moment of silence, we will let our flowers float upon the water. Thanks to you and our sponsors for your support and participation in today's race and flower ceremony. moment of silence. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I don't think we got any farther than here, but we sold a lot. Oh my god, did you ever? I was so impressed. Well, see, we carried right to be straight alcohol and like, look at what you went. I was there.
Okay, for the all junior crews, in the final race. Down at the dock and boats, lane 1, BT Conquest, lane 2, Eric Hamper, Turtle Dragons, lane 3, Strathcona, and lane 4, Surgeon Sturgeons.